I didn't know how to write a logic ladder itself. So when I came here, then I learned step by step how to write a logic ladder diagram and how to implement it and run and check the simulation, how it works. If I make a mistake also, then I learned how to correct my mistake and then how to correct the logic. So that part I didn't know. So madam has taught like very she will teach step by step. If even the person doesn't know, also will come to know how to write a ladder diagram. She was like very excellent in that.
मैडम पहले पीएलसी हम सुने थे और क्लास भी लिया गया था पहले, लेकिन कभी समझे नहीं थे पीएलसी। यहाँ आए तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझ में आया कि पीएलसी क्या होता है और आइडिया थोड़ा लगा कि मतलब पीएलसी कैसे काम कर सकते हैं।
Firstly, thank you, madam. Thank you. So we have learned so many things from you, from basics and all. It will be very helpful.
Yes.
At least we learned how to see the input, outputs and all. Because then physically we won't get time to operate the system.
Yes.
But here at least we got 5 days. So something we came to know. So thank you once again.
You can play with the PLC. There is no critical applications. You can do whatever you want in, but in your plant you cannot do that. So that is the main thing. And
Thank you very much, madam.
Good morning. My name is Prasad Kadaba. So I have attended 1 week PLC training program in NSDI. I thank the management for giving this wonderful training program. I am from mechanical background, but I did not know anything about this PLC program. But it was a very good program. I could learn the basics and fundamentals of PLC. What is gates and what is a ladder diagram and many such things. Now, small problems I can identify and I can help myself in getting the problem solved in our college where I am working as a CAD/CAM trainer. Thank you so much.
నా పేరు శివ గణేష్ పెండుకోట. నేను రైల్వీల్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ నుంచి రావడం జరిగింది. యెహ్లాంక బెంగళూరు. S7 1200 అండ్ చికెన్ ట్రైనింగ్ కి రావడం జరిగింది. ఇక్కడ చాలా నీట్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తున్నారు. పూజా సింగ్ మేడం గారు. అదే విధంగా ఇక్కడ అన్ని CPU ఫెసిలిటీస్ కానీ PLC కిట్స్ కానీ అన్ని అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి. ఏవైతే మోడల్స్ ఉన్నాయో అన్ని అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి. ట్రైనింగ్ అయితే చాలా నీట్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తున్నారు. ట్రైనింగ్ చాలా బాగుంది.